the Pod Network Entertainment.
Ladies and gentlemen, our musical guest from the 80s, late 70s, early 80s, late 70s. Devo, crack that whip, step on mama's stamp, step on the brakes, break your mama's back, whip it, and the shake.
Whip it real
Shape it
good.
up.
Yan ba yun? Yun, no?
Oh, whip it good. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Crack that whip.
Sabay medley. Dun, 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 dun. Pretty woman. Di ba yung galawan ng mga DI? Di ba? Hindi ikaw. Sabi ko lang yung segue. Yung segue ng mga tugtugan ng party. Di ba? Ganon ang nangyari.
Gusto ko yun. Hindi ikaw. Nakakainis.
Kung maka-thank you, napaka-assuming ng thank you.
Ay,
Excuse me.
kasi nakatingin ka sa akin na sabi mo na, tapos dun, pretty
Nakatingin
woman.
ako sa monitor ko. Anyway, if you're wondering, well, Pretty Woman actually has nothing to do with it.
No.
I mean, not really. No. It's really more of the whip.
Yeah, whip it.
Mas Pretty Woman pa yung before. Actually, the did you ever watch the first? Well, technically, this is a prequel, so it's not the first, but you know the original. Did you watch it?
Castlevania?
Yeah.
Season 1.
Okay, remember the speaker there? I found they're super chicks. The one who was hooked with the Belmont. Anyway.
Yeah. We'll get into that. We'll get into that. But welcome to Only Fun. His name is Chico Garcia. And his name is Gino Killiamore. And welcome to Only Fun.
Yeah, so in the spirit of Halloween, because Halloween is...
As being a vampire.
I was supposed to say Halloween is supposed to be like that scary time of the year or whatever. That basically cancels that out. But
come on.
Yeah, you know, Halloween, like you dress up. It's just one of the marami nagkaka-spookyhan, di ba?
Oh.
Spookyhan. Why?
Oo nga.
Hindi ka ba mahilig sa spooky? Hindi masyado, no?
Ayoko talaga.
Ayaw mo talaga. Kahit pilitin niya, ayaw niya talaga ng spooky.
Tinry ko na nung college, hindi talaga.
Hindi niya talaga bet, guys.
You can't accuse me of not trying. Hindi kasi ayoko nang nakakatakot. Ayoko talaga ng mga demons.
Actually, I think that's one of the things that we both share. Like we're not big fans of horror films. We're not big because hindi ko gets eh. Parang ba't ako magbabayad ng pera na pinaghirapan ko para matakot lang ako? 'Di ba? Parang
alam mo, that's true.
Kung gusto ko lang matakot, titignan ko na yung credit card bill ko. Tapos na.
Ako, gusto ko lang matakot, tignan ko lang yung romantic history ko. No! No!
Nakatakot pero naka-excite.
Hindi, pero like for me, like for example, ang ayaw ko, real life. To be honest, sa tier ko ng mga scary entertainment, pinaka-ayoko sa lahat, yung mga horror booth. Hindi ko siya talaga type.
Oh, like the ones in school fairs?
Like more than scary movies. Ayoko rin ng scary movies. Pero within the scary movie strata, pinaka-ayoko yung Possessions. Ayoko talaga ng mga movies about, like, alam mo yung very realistic, yung mga tipong napossess ng demon or whatever.
Right.
Lalo na pag may mga devil, demon. Ayan, ayoko yan. So, the one that we're going to be talking about for this episode is probably my most favorite. Yung pinakakaya kong i-digest.
Right.
Is my love-hate affair with vampires.
Plus,
I've said this before.
It also really helps that it's animated. Alam mo yung parang...
Yeah. Yes.
Although, it's pretty messed up also. It's pretty messed up. Like, don't think that it's one of those, like, oh, it's animated, it's for kids. It's not. It's really not. But yeah, go ahead.
Before we get into it, we're talking about Castlevania Nocturne, which is a spin-off of the 4-season Castlevania original.
Which is super good, by the way.
So, since we got into it a little bit earlier, that was my thing. I actually loved. If I'm not mistaken, ikaw rin yata yung recommend for me to watch.
Yeah.
Kasi diba video game to? Diba tama ba? It's a video game or
yes, it is a video game.
So I got into it and I really loved it. To be honest, I super loved the first 4 episodes of the 4-episode first season. Tapos, you know how it is with me. No matter how much I love season 1, pag ang tagal lumabas nung season 2, parang, you know, it's happened with Stranger Things. It happened with a couple of others, like high-profile series. Gusto ko yung season 1. But because the wait was so long, paglabas ng season 2, parang nawala yung momentum.
Yeah.
So I
parang
never got to watch
what the first season
felt
like na.
And if I'm not mistaken, I watched like maybe the first episode. Tas parang hindi ko siya I couldn't get
back into the groove.
So when you told me that we were doing this, I was like, oh no, I didn't watch the rest of Castlevania. And my gosh, it was so well reviewed. I do know na sobrang mas well reviewed pa yung season 2, 3, 4 more than the first.
Compared to the first one, yes.
I mean, I know that I'm missing out on it, and this is a favorite of mine. I love vampire shows, so I don't know. It's one of my things na, if I don't get into it, I just completely forget. Mm-hmm. My gosh!
Yeah, you remembered.
Like when I watched this one, I am not going even to say that this is one of the best like animated vampire shows. I'm not even going to say that it's one of the best vampire shows. Mm-hmm. Let me just say it's one of the best shows, period. I have watched in a long ass time. Like, I cannot even, sabi ko, I'm going to have such a difficult time with this episode because I'm going to be so OA with how much
you actually love it.
It's so good. Like
I
cannot say anything bad about this show.
Alam mo yung parang the great things about the original Castlevania, they're all here. But it offers like a new storyline altogether. So alam mo yung parang, and it's just one of those things na I was really expecting to just, obviously I'm a big fan. So when it came out, like I'm super excited to watch it. But I wanted to wait for it, to like savor it. You know what I mean? Not blow through it right away. I did. I was a one-pump chump. I could not get my shit together. This is a TV show I've wanted to sleep with for 20 years.
I don't want to see them this way. So please, no.
It took off its clothes and told me, come here, big boy. And like, just have fun with me. Ganon yung sinabi niya. So wala. As in, obos agad ako. Tapos ang buong season.
And here's the thing. Like every aspect of the show, it did it for me. Like I couldn't get the whole, it's animated, pero the language is like a sailor's potty mouth.
Yeah.
They talk so adult. Tapos the graphic nature of the show. Grabe yung pugot ulo, labas bituka, like it was not mincing its words nor its images.
Plus it plays around with religion, you know what I mean?
It's so adult with the whole concept of. Tapos here's the thing, I don't like scary stuff. This works for me because it's not scary. I can actually watch this on my own even at night. But I have to say, meron siyang creepy,
it's eerie
vibe. And this is the kind of vampires that we both like. Alam mo yung mga, it's opulent, it's rich, it's, they're the nobility, and they're the chuchi vampires. They're the vampires that like opera. They're the vampires that like good food.
Sobrang lang trip yung opera guy.
Can I just say, tawang-tawa ako doon sa biglang kumakanta na lang bigla.
Yung demon. Tapos ang artsy pa ng pagka-demon niya.
Hey, what took you so long? I got lost. Huh? I got lost inside the mind of a genius. What? Can you imagine being at the center of 16 billion Da Vinci paintings through AI? It's like seeing what's inside Da Vinci's mind. The paintings are around you and above you and right through you. Oh, I can't explain it. The whole experience is trippy and wild and seriously amazing. You have to see it for yourself. Check out BGC Immersive Presents Wisdom of Da Vinci, a celebration of art, light, and technology. Get lost inside the mind of a genius. Use the code ONLYFUN150 to get a special discount when booking your tickets at bgcimmersive.com.
Diba? Sobrang artsy. Parang, sorry, it's a little bit of a spoiler. It's early on naman in the season. So he dies and he's like reforged into a demon. Pero yung pagka-demon niya parang Lady Gaga demon.
Very akla, gets? Yung parang like, hello,
yung kita mo pa yung mata niya tapos nag-peek out from his hands na naka forever
lang sa naka blue eyes.
I know. He was captivating all the other demons with his operatic voice.
With his song, with his aria.
It's so artsy.
Super. And then tapos, you know, it's like, it's so everything. Tapos the characters I love and all of the characters I love. Tapos yung, kasi ano lang siya 8 episodes lang siya. Yung parang, you should have seen how I devour. I finished the entire thing, by the way.
Okay. All right.
Like in 2 days or
dalawang akla talaga.
Tapos
isa pa yan, no? Diba? There's something in it for everyone.
Girl. I was a one pump chump. Ang hot nila, ha?
Diba?
Alam mo yung meron, okay, there's si Aclampire. Si Aclampire kasi. Si Aclampire.
Si Aclampire, si Aclamplar.
Tapos yung isa kasi human. Isa regular akla.
Templar siya na akla. So, Aclamplar.
So, si human, si akla, at saka si Aclampire, si human akla, ay, ang pogi, ang gwapo, di ba? Ang butch, di ba? Tapos, laban sila ni Aclampire na parang, tapos biglang like, pinush ni Aclampire si Akla dun sa walnuts, parang like, let's do this again, but somewhere more comfortable. Ako talaga, ay, hala siya!
Hala sila, naglandian!
Hala, alam mo yung talagang...
si human akla, kumagat.
Ay, hindi. Ang kumagat si Aclampire. Tapos, as in talagang, sabi ko, can I love this series anymore? I mean, like, di ba, biglang may mga ganon, tapos may ano rin, tapos si Queen of the Damned. Diba?
Si Bathory.
Si Elizabeth Bathory biglang...
You know, that's actually what I really like about it also, because Elizabeth Bathory was an actual
yes
person.
I was obsessed with Elizabeth Bathory kasi when I got into this deep dive before of these, 'di ba yung si ano ba yan, si Tepes? The original vampire,
Vlad Tepes.
Tepes. Oo, parang siya yung loosely the inspiration for Dracula
was based on.
Ni Bram Stoker. But loosely. One of the people na siya si Vlad the Impaler, di ba?
Yeah.
Almost always mame-mention si Elizabeth Bathory.
Bathory naman.
Also Hungarian. And kasi sila yung nasa Transylvania na, like I was high school years old when I discovered all of this. Na parang yun nga, na meron pala talagang Transylvania. Akala ko fake yung lugar na Transylvania.
So actual library pa to, no? Kasi wala pang internet nito, no?
Ay, Diyos ko. As in, yung card catalog, ganon. Totoo. As in, like, ano ko pa siya sa library. This is pre-Google pa talaga. Tapos, like, there's this si Elizabeth na like would allegedly, parang one of the earliest serial killers, would drain the blood of the virgins.
Yeah.
And take a bath. Diba? Yun yung parang ano niya, yun yung kink niya na maliligo
which was
siya
also
sa bathtub filled with blood of virgins.
Parang Hostel didn't, not naman homage, but parang kind of copied it. Remember Hostel, the second one, there was this countess there who would bathe herself in blood to keep herself young. That's essentially parang, what Bathory did, right?
Supposedly, one time, yung legend says that there was this girl who was fixing her hair na accidentally medyo na pull niya yung hair ni Elizabeth. So sinampal ni Elizabeth yung girl. Sa sobrang lakas, tumalsik yung blood on her skin. Tapos parang na-realize niya yung na splash siya ng blood nung slave girl. Parang sabi niya parang gumanda, nag-smoothen yung skin. Doon daw allegedly nagsimula. But much later on, I got into a deeper dive.
Deep dive.
Na parang it's very possible that all of that was a smear campaign.
Right.
Na it never happened. She was never really like a killer.
Into blood or whatever.
Na parang it was really a power grab kasi she was the richest woman in Hungary at the time. And she was very political and she was very rich. And there was a power grab. And the one who supposedly discovered her, bathing in blood, etc., and saw the victims and all that, was the one person who was politically going to benefit the most
if
with
Elizabeth
her out
Bathory
of the picture.
Was taken out.
Yeah. So medyo shady. Tapos, people were saying na parang walang solid evidence.
Evidence of her actually doing it,
More like, ganito, ganyan. There were never bodies found. There were never gets. So, possible, very, very possible that all of this was politically motivated.
Pero grabe, no? If you think about it, how long ago did this happen? Until now, what we know of is that, Elizabeth Bathory was this, Elizabeth Bathory was that.
A monster, diba?
Yeah,
a complete monster.
Could have been utterly fake news.
Super relevant, no? Yung parang ako, until kasi ito, binasa ko na lang to recently kasi nga na-curious ako ulit about Elizabeth
Parang
Bathory.
now nga daw, I think the best way, because they were able to track down her descendants. Si Elizabeth Bathory, si Lo and si Full, they were able to track them down and they're trying to talk to them. Si Lo Bathory, si Full Bathory. I had you going for quite a while. I had you going for quite some time. Come with me to the dog show. Come.
Hindi, meron na nga eh. Alam mo pangalan niya? Si Eveready.
Eveready Bathory.
Si Eveready.
Ang hirap na sabihin, no?
Diba? Si
Eveready Bathory.
But that's the only way to say it.
Eveready Bathory.
Hindi, pero sobrang, like, alam mo talaga yung like, at saka it's not so much na I want to know what happens next. Like, I feel so good watching it. Yung everything, alam mo yung parang ninanamnam ko bawat episode. Like, all the twists and turns, all the characters that are introduced, all the, like, I cannot. It's probably the closest to a perfect series that I have watched. I'm not even joking. I'm not even joking. It's so good. It is so good.
Because I feel like some people might skip out on this because it's animated.
Do not.
That's what I'm afraid of. Na para they'll sleep on it because it's animated, it's anime looking. I'm not into that. But please don't. Like, I swear, if just give it a shot, even if you're not, like, you never played the Castlevania games, right?
No.
Exactly. No. So you have no idea, like, about Alucard and whatever until, But yeah, I guess just one of those games that are super good.
Medyo ang judge ng Alucard. It's very, like,
Binaliktad
very okich, very onage. When you think about it.
Pero, ewan ko bakit, ang ganda pakinggan ng Alucard, di ba?
Alucard, di ba?
Listen na Dracula.
Pero, di ba, very...
onage.
Very onage, okich. Very ganon. Hindi, pero yun nga eh, like...
I don't know, maybe if you say it a different way, onage. Hindi pa rin. No. Alucard sounds so much nicer. But yeah, and it's like, it still has... If you are a fan of the Dracula of Castlevania, it still has the Belmont lineage. The speakers are still there. So a lot of, kumbaga parang if you like the original Castlevania, You'll love this too because essentially it's the same elements that you would see, like
Can you imagine
Forge Masters, that sort of thing.
That's just the thing. Like I really do plan to watch because I loved Nocturne so much. I plan to rewatch. Total 4 episodes lang naman yung first season, and then itutuloy-tuloy ko na and finish it.
Yeah.
But see, I didn't even watch all the 4 seasons, and I've forgotten na so like when I entered into it,
you're walking into this with fresh eyes.
Yes, it's as if I never watched the first season of Castlevania because I remember squat about the first season. Like wala talaga ako nang alala. Siguro barely yung Belmont. When I heard Belmont, I was like, parang nandun sa ano yun parang nasa Castlevania yun. Ganon ka zero yung memory ko of the first season. So, alam mo yun, gets like I am somebody who you can count me as somebody who didn't watch Castlevania, and I loved it. I loved it. So you can start here actually. Kasi medyo baka ma-overwhelm ka dun sa 4 seasons mong i-binge watch. So start with this one. Kasi this will go by.
Prequel naman siya, so
yes. Yeah. One season. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Like
it's really good.
So
it's really
good. Pero yun nga, like for me, I've said this before, di ba? We've talked, I don't know with you or maybe on the show, na parang sharks and vampires talaga are my weird relationship. Para siyang jowa na away kayo one moment, tas chuk-chak the next. Yung parang like, I can't decide because I'm
gusto mong chumok-chak ng shark?
Hindi.
Damn.
Hindi. Pero gets, yung parang I'm
you're afraid
so
of them, but you also
fascinated.
love them.
I am so fascinated by those 2 creatures, but I'm so scared. Like, hello, we've gone diving in Fiji with like 10-foot bull sharks, full-grown man-eating bull sharks, like 80 feet underwater, and there are like 6, 7, 8 bull sharks swimming around us. Ganong levels, but I am so scared of them. I'm so scared of them. Pero I'm also so fascinated. So medyo ganun yung ano ko sa vampires. I don't know what it is with sharp teeth and predators and like that fascinates me. Tapos yung they're always like hiding-ish. Ang dami ko nakikitang dami ko nakikitang similarities. Di ba yung pagpapabaka from the surface, makabog na yung heart ko, crap. I can almost like see dark figures swirling underneath me. Tas dark yan, wala kang makikita. Tas as you go deeper, makikita mo na yung shadows nila lurking in the depths of the ocean. Tas as you get deeper and deeper, they become clearer and clearer. Tapos nakikita mo na sila na, ayun na siya. Ayun na yan. Tingnan mo. Ayun yung ipin niya. So, nakikita mo na siya. So, tapos di ba yung vampires ganun din? Yung parang they're in the darkness. Tapos pag nakita mo, it's too late. They're gonna like, chomp. They're gonna chomp your neck or something. But I don't know. I'm so fascinated with the lore. And you know how like, each time you watch a vampire show, iba-iba ng rules. Dito,
that's true. Like, kunwari
dito, parang magpayong lang sila, okay na. They can be out in the
sun.
Dun sa mga Dracula, no, they have to be like inside their coffin, by sunrise. Tapos sunset lang sila ulit lalabas. Sila, Edward, Diyos ko, nakakapag-sunbathing pa nga. Sparkle pa lang in the sunlight. So, that whole thing, it's so fascinating to me. And one of the Anne Rice books, I devoured the books. I loved the show.
Interview with the Vampire.
Like fascination. And I know you have this too. You have this too with vampires.
I do. Like I legit want to become a vampire.
Ayoko.
Ako kasi parang,
ikaw lang yan.
Well, under certain conditions, I would like to be a vampire. Under certain conditions. Like maybe you know what? It's weird, Like obviously before I had my kids, like I would have said yes. But now kasi parang there's that whole, can you really stand to see them go before you do?
That's true.
Diba? But prior to kids, like I would have 100% yeah, for sure. Like I'll become a vampire. What is this? It's weird. I have feelings now.
These foreign entities, these emotions.
This is strange. Let's end the show. I need to process this shit.
Hindi kasi alam ko ano like I find the whole thing very. I love the whole Anne Rice version na parang there's a sensuality to those vampires, to that version of vampires, but they are incapable of sex.
They're not capable of sex.
They're not. Like it's like an empty but it's more like a thirst. It's very similar to libido. Na parang it's very similar to kaya 'di ba parang medyo merong tension kay Louis tsaka kay Lestat, 'di ba? Kasi nga parang there's this affinity, there's this pero it's because nga they're vampires. Don't expect human emotions out of them. And if I'm not mistaken, parang they can't get it up. Like parang ganun parang if I'm not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong, basta parang
so
ganun.
may bird pa rin sila, hindi lang tumitigas.
Well, now that you put it that way.
I mean, we're just talking about like the anatomy here. I just want to find out.
They're not capable of sex. They can't have sex with you. Like, you know how like they kind of like seduce you, diba? Even the yung Winona Ryder, Gary Oldman, Dracula, yung
they're Gary Oldman talagang kinagat si Winona Ryder sa boobs pa
Hindi, diba? Pero yung seduce ka niya, but just to get your blood and the act of, diba? Even here, like pag yung kinagat, there's this kind of like almost orgasmic quality to pag kinagat ka. It's not pain. It's more like diba like and then like it's like pain, but pleasure, but death, but sex, but that's the fascinating part. Yung parang
I'm more fascinated about like I have so many questions because like okay for guys, if you're a guy vampire, so you can't get it up, but it's just there.
Well, right? That's the intindi ko sa Anne Rice because
so what if you're a girl vampire? Like, can you still?
Hello, sabi nga ni diba ni
or like is there like a seal na parang you can enter?
Sabi ni diba ni si Pink Flame girl, si Lieutenant, sabi niya we have teeth everywhere. Remember?
This is the
si Juanita, ano ba yun? Juanita ba yung Juarez or ano yun? Weird yung it's like a Spanish name pero with a twist.
Ito ba yung si dominatrix looking girl?
Oo, yung yung assistant ni Ursula
Bathory.
Oo, yun, that one. 'Di ba sabi niya we have teeth everywhere kasi there was a little allusion to like being all sexy wexy with her and then she's like, well, we have teeth everywhere. So yeah, yung kanyang pempem may ipin, 'di ba? That's what she says.
There's a movie about that, vaginal dentata.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But see there, I mean not in this universe.
So
in the Castlevania universe.
Does that mean there's also a tongue somewhere in there? Is it like a mouth?
Hindi, but I don't think it's the same here.
Yeah,
kasi di ba si Olrox nga, si Acclampire, obviously he had sex with and human sex, gets?
Yeah.
So that version, this version,
sino kayang top sa kanila? I mean,
no, right?
Ito ba? Tingnan mo, napaka-question ka rin.
Feeling ko si human. Feeling ko si soldier. Oh my gosh. Ay.
But you should definitely give it a watch.
You should watch this.
I swear, like, even if you're not into animated shows, even if you're not into anime, even if you're not into vampire, just give it a shot. And I think you will very much love it. There's a reason why it's so highly rated, highly reviewed.
And like we said, it's not a good animated series. It's a good
It's just
series.
a good series.
Period.
Yes. Yeah.
Period. If you know what's good for you, Castlevania Nocturne.
It's out on Netflix. Go check it out. Of course, we want to thank our partners, the Pod Network Entertainment. You can check us out on social media. It's at OnlyFunPH, at Chico Garcia for him, at Gino.KilliamMore for me.
Garlic. Okay.
Do they have anything against garlic here? I can't remember.
I don't know. Probably not.
No. I think they're way more terrifying than this. Yeah.
Love this show. Okay, bye guys.
Bye. We'll see you in the next one.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.